So do I like doggies or cats?
No.
Yeah.
My reply is no. How come?
It said my reply is no. Ah, I like them. I like them.
Maya. Okay, ask her another question or you're done.
What color is my hair?
Yes.
Cannot predict now. I can't tell you what color your hair is. Yesterday, is my hair red?
Is my hair red?
Better not tell you now. That's weird.
Is my hair brown or red?
No. You know you're having faceless on your phone. Signs point to yes.
It records for 1 hour.
Brown hair?
Yeah.
Thank you for saying yes.
I'm moving this too much.
Okay, Lance, calm down.
Ah, this is fun to me.
Alright, are you done with my phone?
Oh.
You have to ask it.
Yes.
What
God.
color is my eye?
No. Say, are my eyes...
No, no.
You have to ask it if your eyes are a certain color.
Is my eyes green or blue?
I thought she was going to say.
No, say, are my eyes green? It's one color. One. You may rely on it.
You may rely on it.
Okay, no.
What does that mean?
It's either blue or green.
That means she said blue and green.
Okay. Ask it if you're 5 years old.
Am I 5 years old?
It is decidedly so. I mean, yes.
Thank
Ask if you start kindergarten.
Do I start kindergarten?
Outlook's not so good.
Ooh.
I do! You're not the best! Everybody doesn't like you. People do, but not all of them.